This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Create the perfect relationship between you and your body. Treat your body with all love, honor, gratitude, and respect. When you make it a goal to adore your body and you accept yourself completely, you learn to have the perfect relationship with anyone else you are with. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 64, NASDAQ down 282, S&P's off 28. Gold contract down $19.50, trading $17.14 an ounce. We got silver down 62 cents, $26.23 an ounce. Light sweet crude up $1.43, $61.18 a barrel. Notes and bonds. 10-year note up 15 ticks, 134.05. The 30-year up almost a full point, or 30 ticks, at 160.02. And King Dollar. King Dollar's up 132 ticks, trading out at 90.917. The Euro's at 120. The yen is out here at 106.97, and the British pound's at 139 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Well, the bottom line is that you have lower prices. You do have volume that's coming into this market. The S&P, a little bit different, okay? The bottom line is that you get the SPY pulling back today, $2.84. You've done 83 million shares. Well, the 83 is going against 146 million folks, as well as 152 million. So the way that the S&P is basically setting up here is that, can you get sideways movement? Yeah. The S&P looks to me that's still setting up that it still wants some kind of a bounce going. And, you know, we'll see. We're dealing with Wednesday today. You get option expiration on Friday. Bottom line, we'll see whether they can jam the S&P a little bit higher coming into Friday. That being said, the NDX 100 is where you want to keep focused, whether you're a bull or a bear. Because if you're a bull, the bottom line, this thing is turning. It's a slow turn. If you're a bear, the bottom line, you may want to be trading it. What we have is this, okay? So the Qs came off the high. The high in the Qs at 338. We're at 310.87. You've come down with 68 million shares out here today. It's going into high volume lows, and you're not holding price. 311's the number, folks. If you don't hold 311 and the NQs can get down to about 296, like in about a heartbeat. We're at major support here. That's what's going on. That being said, that doesn't mean a thing inside of the Qs. When they start hitting these things, they hit them, and they hit them pretty good. Gold contract, what we have with the gold contract, that got to a lower low today. Has lighter volume once again. You get a spike low, too. They got it into 1,700. Went to 1699.40. And if you're watching Tiger TV, I'll show you that spike low, which is... you can see that it's almost like there wasn't a trade down there. Well, there was a trade down there, and they went and got someone down there, because on the 10-minute bar, folks, what had happened is we've gone $9 down on the 10-minute bar. Now, that could have been a minute bar. In fact, let me just tour the 5 minutes for a second. Let me just see. Because that's how, and what that's all about is who's ever in there starting to buy is saying, okay, are there any more sellers down there? And that is saying, guess what? You don't have any more sellers down at those levels, because it would have exploded on the way down. So we got to 1699.40. You're at 1714 right now. The bottom line is that as long as we close above, oh, this is going to get wild. Yeah, 17. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, 1714.90. We're at 1714.70. That's the number. So, you know, we're pounding out a bottom here. That's my take on it. That is going to be 1714.90 as we come into this close. Is going to be important, though, no doubt, to look at. Now, we got to go over to the King Dollar, because the King Dollar yesterday, bottom line, gave it up in spades. It's struggling out here today. The cool thing with King Dollar today is that you actually get a sideways move. You're up 126 ticks. You're at 90.911. we'll see whether it basically wants to make another run. The way that it's looking right now, it's looking to me that you're going to have the king dollar building more cause to get into lower price. The note and bond market, let's go take a look at the note and bond market out here. There, the 10 years on the move again, no doubt. TY. Okay, so you got, yeah, it looks like there's a big contraction out here today. Okay, so this is pretty cool, folks, okay? It's amazing, too, man. I mean, you had a couple of the Federal Reserve governors, well, one of them, Lyle, I better get her name right first. Anyway, you had one of the Federal Reserve governors yesterday come out, and she had said that she's keeping her eye on the note and bond market because it had moved so fast. The thing that's amazing about a note and bond market, folks, okay, it always moves fast when it goes down and rates go up. I've never seen it move slow. So, excuse me. So the quote there was that, hey, that was a fast move. We're going to keep our eye on it. Bottom line, folks, that's the way the note and bond market is trading right now. This is a contraction with dramatically lighter volume. You're talking about 1.8 million contracts out here. You're going into 3.6 million contracts. This note and bond market, they want higher price, man. So it's going to be wild watching how this thing shakes out. Now, when you come down so hard, there's no doubt that you're going to bounce along this bottom and it's going to be choppy, as is the gold market. Okay, if you get the gold report, you know that we did the little update out there today, and what we're talking about is the aspect that my take is that we are at a low. You're off the low. In fact, if we even just look at the HUI, the XAU, what you're going to see out here is the bottom line. The XAU got down to 129 out here. 129.37 was the number. Rejected it. You're at 131.76. In fact, let me put this up because I didn't. So yesterday you had 39 million. It's not bad. The XAU, HUI, they've also rejected lower price out here today. They want higher price. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.